Pam para pam 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 para pam para da pew pew pew.
Be careful. You are in Thailand.
Athu soi kha lau om lo thleng tur in shilok na satlia ani lo thu nei na manga in vo na ani a hausak na le ming than na te wangin heng nula te hi athu hnuaya oma an pageant mahun thleng po a ti chiat sak vek thei anga a in nga ya live broadcast a po hetiang mi hi ani chuan a lang lo lama phei chuan eng ang che in nge ator hlel omang ni engwanga thinrim em nge ani o poisa wang ni chi emole he event atan hian sum tam tak a tho thu a soya contestant zinga mi pakhatin asum siam bel na tur promotional activities ti tur ati te alo ti ve lo na chuan he event atana asum tam tak alo invest ve kha athu hnuaya ada theilo ni in a in sia a chu wang chuanin direct method thaber chu apply in athu nei zia lan tirnan an sahim na le an mahun chu vona na mangin contestant chu athil lu nei te angin a ena mi pakhat ang nilovin meichhia te a en hiam ve ngota vona ma chona an om meu chuan nula ho po an trom bik lo mi pakhat tan kalsan turin huai sen na sang tak nenga ma se chumi chu zui tura midang tam tak an ron pen chuak ve ani chuan thil dang lam thut na ani chung thu thleng ruak te chu he khovel mi te hne na kan za om na le him na te hi kan lal lukhum le kan thu nei na te ai po in a hlu zo ka ni ti lan tir nan an mangani nang thu nei na manga vo na dong ve ta la iku nang nge i kalsan nal na lang
No, not about you. Not about you. Not about you.
It's not about me. It's about all the people that I represent.
I didn't give you opportunity to talk. Please keep polite for me. I still talking. I still talking. Listen. I still keep talking to everybody. Why you stand up to talk to me?
Because I have a voice and it's not for everybody to talk. If you have a problem,
No, you have a voice, but you have to respect. The voice.
you are not respecting me as a woman.
What? No. Why you stand up?
Because I have
When the gun. Security. No, just leave it here. She stand and she talk by herself.
Stand up. As a woman, we have respect. They need to have respect for us. I'm here representing a country, and it's not my fault that you have problems with my organization.
No. Listen. You must listen to me, and then when I ask you, you. Stop. Keep security. Sit down. If anyone want continue the contest, sit down. If you step out,
asap trong la cho broken english mai sia tiang le vela meu te chuan grammar uluk ve de om a trong thei par hle ni an trong phei chuan trong ta se a soi nem manang chu kha jordar english classes admission open ti atanga pass chuak kha ni hrim history a avoi khat na tan miss universe in ti siak na tel nula zong deuh tho te chu in ti siak na lo la om tura tanga in nuk dokin an chuak huk mai he thil ron in na chu host pakhat le contestant pakhat te in kara boina omwang ni in kumsang ni somni panga miss universe thlan na chu Thailand in an host dona ma se interview na hun an man kar laka an host Mr. Nawat chuan Miss Mexico chu mimala kau chuakin Thailand ro puizia chungchang velte a post vela owangin achil hrepa hosina apu na te chu Miss Mexico chuan a team te na tura an shil lo wanga post lawani thu changin host chuan mi puima a Miss Mexico chu mol tuk ti in atong khum le chiam mai ani chung vel wang chuan contestant dang thanem tak te pon Miss Mexico chu thlopin interview an nei na room chu an chhuwa san sapa hetiang competition a tel an du to lo thu te soi hlomin he khovela modeling event lian ber ani angin Mr. Nawat po camera ma a che dan wanga thu pha choi tura nor lui ani a chu ta chuan punawa ta chu lem zet mai han zuhan trap pura mole crocodile tears Thleng acting class kaltir teu wa han lim tak a hnuwa stage a ngai dam dil na le in soifia na te anei le boka
I think you must be understand the pressure is a lot. I am the human. Sometimes I cannot control. But by the way, I have not intend to harm anyone because I respect all of you. But sometimes I have to say, I am so sorry it's happened. I want to give this opportunity to first, I have to apologize for the delegate. If anyone affected and not comfortable, it happened. I'm so sorry. And also, I will sorry for Universe fans around the world too. But I wish all the true message must be the right, because I saw so many messages like some word I didn't say that before. Please check everything in our website. Still keeping posting that.
He buai na hian a vor top thlengin ram ai o local te hne na shas in hlan na hun hlim om tak ni tur kha ania van tlang mi pui ma a in chap char na thleng hian pageant organization chungril aron phor chuak chiang hle a he thil thleng wang hian za om na in za ton na le meichhia te thunei na chungchang global stage a soiwar zwal pha ania thunei na in thak na nein the Miss Universe organization chuan Mario Bukaro chu CEO Tharata na ruatin CEO Nilai and Jakra Jutatip chu adin mun atanga aban wangin Bukaro hia Miss Universe sang hi somni panga pageant thanma thachan vela omatang chowin he din mun hi alua hun poimo lai berni in alanglo lama MUO President Raul Rocha Kantu le Nawat Itsa Rakrisil Thai Executive te in kara chuan phok lekna lo in hung chho mek boka anni pani hi Miss Universe organization chunga President of Miss Grand International le Vice President of Asia and Oceania te anni Miss Universe voisom sari palina competition tel turin candidates mi za somni te chu Thailand ta an thlenga Suvarna Bhumi International Airport ta ropui takalomlu anni a ram ai o akal nula chelole fingerber thankhom te chuan fittings photoshoots le registration te Chatriam Hotel Riverside Bangkok a an nei chana nima sela he an lo lomlu dan changkang tak mai phe na hian phok lek na chu lo in mung so borin Nawat Itsarak Risil National Director of Miss Universe Thailand le Executive Director of the Miss Universe Organization nibok chuan pageant fans te chu contestants te vote turin special dinner le talk show a asoma ma se MUO lamte chuan rang takin unverified channels atanga thupuan ni lo chu thubel chian dol lo an ni thu anon tar lang ve ngalani chu an thu chwa chu Miss Universe Thailand lamte chuan ron changlet ve ngalin official license host organization an ni anga in promote na thil activities an nei shim te chu an ram chunga ti turani wanga thutluk na siam le tho theina dan an nei thu a changlet ve in Miss Universe organization te le Nawat te in karak hi om chu mi pui shat aron ni ta ani he in chapchar na hi shas anin hlan na ceremony ram ai o akal te thlen na hotel anaya ani a he hmuna hian Nawat chuan Miss Mexico Fatima Boss tu sponsor shoot vela atel velo na chante mi pui ma zotin Nawat chuan Miss Mexico chu damphet thuak thol mol tin atong khuma
If you follow the order from your national director, you are the man.
chu thil thleng video online na dara chuan Miss Mexico chuan Nawat chu kanza che nangpo ina minza vedan tur ang ngein karam ayo local kania ka organization lamte ne na boina in neya thiamlo na ka neilo ti in achanga Nawat laldak theya chuan ai min ngai thama saturani chuan anhuwa min hnial chawro ati vele a he in hnial na wang hian Miss Mexico le midang thanem tak Miss Universe nilai mek Victoria telin room chu an chwa na on lama pageant media omte hne na Miss Mexico chua athil ton wanga thabar taka omin thil thendan te asoya
You have all my respect. I truly love Thailand. I respect all of you. I think that you're amazing people. But what just your director did, it's not respectful. He called me dumb because he had problems with the organization, and I think that's not fair because I'm here and I do everything okay. I don't mess with anyone. I just try to be kind. I'm trying to give my best, and he just shot me and he just said to me and shut up and a lot of different things. And I think that the world needs to see this because we are empowered women and this is a platform for our voice. And no one can shut our voice and no one will do that to me. And I hope that everyone at home, every woman, doesn't matter if you have a big dream, if you have a crown, if that's take away your dignity, you need to go. Thank you.
Nulahaw arwal-rwala, huis, katel pa ito law. Burana may kabang. Tia an chwa sup layin na watsuan. Dingru, veng tu tao. Atiri po asyat heni. Titsuan November nili, sang hisom ni pa nga nawat laldak zit atsuan. A social media accounts, live stream mangin ngay damdil na pankir-kir takmay tu. Ron po sin nawatsuan. Tu po, chalawle nuam tilaw paa. Ahngong emo, chung haw nena tsua. Invite nena, tupa kachoya abik takin khamuna meiche haute mi somsari panga borvel te chunga khan ti in trapur chungin ha chiao chuak mel dewin ngai damdil na aron neya international organization na representatives dangte tunhuna an omvelo thute soitelin Miss Universe CEO Mario Bucaro po atuk maya aron thlolu tur thutele chanpuya engkim enkol pui tu tho pui tur tu emo amamo ziate chutiang anom chuan an tho ho na thil ti aol sam thei jok tur thute asoi bokani ati sponsor thil ti tur vela buaina omachanga inchanin mipui thanata na rotna tlang zar thil ti theina inza na le meichia te en kolan ni chinda na ronchangin he buaina hian thil dik lauti tu chuan a thil ti so khok man na lo dong to turani ziate contestant te ngoi du lo na achanga lallukhum aya za omna apoi mo jok zia en tu te hne alantirin khovel muwa phaulan ani a hemin hu hian Miss Universe organization te chuan thu chhuaron nei le in MUO chuan MGI lamte chu an la thopui zel don thule an local partners te po in he voisom sari pali na Miss Universe thlanna chu chhunzom zel an tum thu an ron tar langa langtlang tak an la ni renga inza na le in u naw na te an la kalpui ring thu soinon le in an lo ro man sa to angin MGI le a thleng turam te nen po an tho ho chhunzom zel don thu te an tar lang tel bokani tun kum Miss Universe a hian Rajasthan nula Manika Vishwakarma chu India ram ayo a he voisom sari pali na Miss Universe competition November ni somni pakhata Thailand ta nei dura hian atel don ani he paron lan tang chi hian pageant thanna environment boruak vel hi a cheve ama hi ani the because kanzon thin chu an ramin an thlenga organization a how to pa berani lai alonia alawin tilal lal ngai lo lalana an lalakha an ti zong cho nei vek adin tuluber the Miss Universe organization lamte po ron mi alovin thu chwa lo siam ve mak mai nia a this na wasang tak ngapi promote tira lo tumle pekanga Miss Mexico te lam hian hei chu nam tha that tin an lo ti du lo thin rim in ti thu boxi sum du boxi a hlong tur zong reng ameng nawat laldak thaya Miss Universe anga te tinge nin nam noi tir le ti dap zo Rachel Gupta in he pale a organization chungchanga athu soikha atira tangin karing hello shim Rachel Gupta hi Miss Universe stage ha muhlan ka ngak hlel khop man ole Miss Universe Thailand ta an thanna buaina om chungchang chu kha zong kha ni a comment section lama Mr Nawat han piai le hlom thamila na lote te in azor ve boxia khongai ve talang thir tu du takte invain hun man nuam vek ule